Layer farming focuses on raising hens for egg production. This niche requires a longer-term investment, as hens typically begin laying eggs at around 18 to 20 weeks of age and can continue for up to 2 years. Let's break down the requirements and capital for starting an egg production poultry farm with 1,000 birds in the Philippines. I will provide details on the cost structure, including housing, health maintenance, and a projection for daily egg sales. Poultry farm startup requirements and capital breakdown. The total cost of starting an egg production poultry farm with 1,000 birds in the Philippines can be estimated as follows. Housing and infrastructure. Chicken coops, approximately 100,000 Philippine pesos. Nesting boxes, around 10,000 Philippine pesos. Feeders and waterers, budget 5,000 Philippine pesos. Chickens and feed, 1,000-day-old chicks, approximately 30,000 Philippine pesos. Feed for the first year, around 600,000 Philippine pesos. Health maintenance, vaccinations, medications, and booster feed, approximately 30,000 Philippine pesos. Total peso requirements. The sum of the above costs is 775,000 Philippine pesos. Monthly egg sales. Daily egg production. 822 eggs per day. Multiply by the average number of days in a month. 30.44. 822 eggs per day, 30.44 days per month, 25,000 eggs per month. Yearly egg sales. Multiply the monthly egg sales by 12. 25,000 eggs per month times 12 months is 300,000 eggs per year. Projected revenue. Assuming farm gate prices of approximately 5.71 Philippine pesos per egg, daily revenue 822 eggs per day, 5.71 Philippine pesos per egg, 4,696 Philippine pesos. Monthly revenue 4,696 Philippine pesos, 30.44 days per month, 43,000 Philippine pesos. Yearly revenue 143,000 Philippine pesos, 12 months equals 1,716,000 Philippine pesos. Legal requirements and licensing. Familiarize yourself with the legal requirements and licensing procedures for poultry farming in the Philippines. Consult local authorities to obtain the necessary permits and ensure your farm complies with relevant regulations. Remember that these figures are estimates, and actual costs may vary based on factors such as location, market prices, and individual choices. Thank you for watching.